yung dalawa dito sa bago nyo nakatrabaho to sina Julia and Inigo. Naging close ba kayo? Wala kayong eksena together.
Wala.
Pero
Hindi kami
Meron,
masyadong
pero-
nagkita.
so hindi kayo nagka-work sa set ng
Hindi pa rin.
kahit kailan?
Parang 2 days, or ako 3 days eh. Kasi there was this one scene, di ba, yung sa... Basta yun, nandun kayo. But anyway, parang 3 times lang po yata kaming nakita-kita sa set. Pero there was this one time po, nung parang napack up kami ng maaga and they had to stay kasi meron pa silang eksena. Nagkwentuhan kaming lahat. It's nice to nandun naman po. Talk to them. Masaya.
Oo nga. Magiging close ba kayo dahil magkasama kayo sa movie, magpo-promo kayo together, di ba?
Yes.
Chika na ba kayo ni Julia?
Opo.
Actually, what I appreciated sa kanya is the first time we had just gotten to see them na nagsushooting kami, isang standby area. I didn't think we would actually talk a lot. And then she was the one who came to me first and then started making kwento. Tapos nagkwentuhan na kami. Tapos nakisali. Tapos nakisali. Tapos si AJ, tapos si Shia. Nakisali na lahat. Saya.
So masaya. Anong gusto mong sabihin, James? Ikaw ba
No, they said that's about right. That they got
Explain.
Ikaw, how do you find Julia?
on the set.
Hindi, I mean,
Sa person.
sa
As a
person.
person, she's very nice.
Wow. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, Julia, kay Julia na lang ulit at saka kay Inigo, how do you feel na parang, ayun nga, di ba kasi itong dalawa na to, meron itong sariling launching movies, nakadalawa na silang hit films, tapos kayo ngayon kasama nyo sila sa movie.
The thing that I like about Jaden, we didn't feel intimidated by them. They were so welcoming. Yun nga yung sinabi ni ni Nadine, na we had that one day na magkakasama kami. Parang nagkaroon kami ng saling, parang campfire na parang, it was just so chill.
Yeah.
And we were just talking to each other.
So, chummy na kayo ni James, Inigo? Chika-chika na ba kayo? Close na kayo ni James?
Hindi lang pareho kayo
Every time I see him, I always say hi. Like,
Oo nga, Inglesero rin yan.
But besides speaking English and comedy, we love music, so yeah.
Tapos ikaw naman, Julia.
Yes.
Ayun, how do you feel ngayon? Kasama nyo sila sa movie?
Yun nga, like what I said, masaya nga. Kasi nga, nakikipagkwentuhan din sila. Yun, madaling makasama, magaan, walang problema.
Parang how do you feel, Julia, na may parang impression, parang support?
Sorry, wait lang. Tatanong, kawawa. What?
How do you feel na parang may impression na support kayo ni Inigo sa JD
No
dito sa
problem
movie?
at all. First of all, there's no small role. Second, what's more important is how well you portray the role that was given to you and the impact on the audience. So, it doesn't matter at all. It's teamwork. Hindi ganun. That's teamwork. We're all in